Well, tonight we have learned when the trial for the Moscow murder suspect Bryan Kohberger will begin. An Idaho judge decided today it will get underway 1 week later than planned. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy has been looking into this ruling today and talked with a former Idaho attorney general about the change. Connor?
Well, today we learned the judge in this case denied the defense's motion to continue the trial and said opening statements will begin on August 18th. He also ruled against using evidence the judge writes is unsupported speculation. Police arrested Bryan Kohberger for the murder of 4 University of Idaho students in December of 2022. His defense team argued it should be delayed after a recent Dateline episode revealed information about the case that wasn't publicly available. Prosecutors argued delaying the trial would not do anything to solve the problem. Judge Stephen Hippler wrote prolonging the trial only creates more media opportunities about the case. This led to the decision to only delay the trial by 7 days, something former Idaho Attorney General David Leroy says is nothing new for this type of case.
So a 1 week delay or adjustment in starting times is not significant for a case that has waited 2.5 years for trial.
Leroy says the 1 week delay, while not significant, is still important in taking the time to select an objective jury.
And because of the high-profile notoriety of the case and the local connections of the case, it indeed may take some time to set a jury.
The judge also ruled the defense cannot use a list of 4 alternative suspects as evidence in the trial, but can use it to cross-examine investigators on the case. Leroy says that decision was a wise one.
Their cross-examination is not foreclosed, but an argument based on suggesting that one or more of any particular individuals may have been an alternative perpetrator will require something much more than the mere suggestion of a name that somebody else lived close by.
With the new trial date set, Leroy says Judge Hippler's rulings in the case are promising a long-awaited trial gets underway sooner than later.
There's an old saying that justice delayed is justice denied, and the defense has had a considerable period of time to get all of its ducks in order and its experts lined up, its understanding of the evidence. And the judge so says in this order about going forward now with only a slight adjustment.
Prosecutors say they intend on seeking the death penalty if Kohberger is convicted. Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.